Stock markets continuing to plummet today, down 9% for the Dow as the virus continued, those concerns, and also Saudi Arabia making its stunning announcement on oil prices.
The Dow Jones falling nearly 2,000 points and the S&P plunged by 7%, stopping all trading for 15 minutes this morning.
KWWL reporter Ashley Neighbor talking to a local banker today and a teacher about what this could mean for Iowans and their investments. Ashley is here live in the studio with us to tell us more about that.
Well, Ron and Abby, over the last couple of weeks, there have been a lot of uncertainty in the markets. The coronavirus has interrupted supply chains, and now oil prices have dropped significantly. So how might this affect your 401k or IRA? It's the price drop heard around the world. Saudi Arabia announcing significant price decreases for oil, sending markets into free fall.
That caused the market today to sell off over about 9% in general terms. That is on top of what we've seen from the coronavirus, where the markets are now approaching almost a bear market, which would be a 20% decline from its highs in February.
John Speas, a VP Trust Officer at Lincoln Savings Bank, says it understandably has people nervous.
It has impacted us as individuals with your 401k plans, your IRAs, that are generally have some allocation to stocks. Those values have come down.
For those who've yet to break into the market, high school economics teacher John Baylong says it's a topic they'll be tackling in class.
Certainly when travel is halted or when factories close and production slows, which also means that people have to stay home from work, those all have effects on GDP, gross domestic product. And that's something that we do study in depth.
Saying we've seen trends like this before.
It has rebounded quickly after other outbreaks like SARS and MERS. There were some short-term effects, but they were short-term.
But for the rest of us, Speas' advice has been
for investors that can wait out this cycle. I think the best idea is to just hold tight.
Now, Speas says the silver lining is that interest rates are also very low right now, making a good time to buy or refinance your home. In the studio, Ashley Neighbor, News 7 KWWL.
Ashley, thank you so much. Yeah, John mentioned in your earlier report at 5 o'clock about they're in for the long haul, really, on the basic study of financial news, that's for sure. We've covered a lot of stories already about how Iowa is being prepared for the virus. 8 cases now in Iowa already. We talked with some Iowans who were quarantined on that cruise ship off the coast of California, finally docking today at Oakland. Those stories and many more on the coronavirus tab on our website right now, kwwl.com.